So we're looking here at Minds on Physics, kinematics concepts, acceleration. KC4 is what we're doing. We're going to launch this mission. We're going to start. We're going to do sudden death mode, as usual. I'm going to do a few of these, just talk through a few of them. Probably not all of them, but let's get started. If an object has an acceleration, then it must be changing its direction, changing its speed, changing its velocity, or none of these. What's definitely C, because by definition, acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. So it is C, it's definitely not D. If it's changing its speed, that may or may not be true because velocity can include changing direction. So its speed could be constant and the velocity changing. An example would be going around a curve. Changing its direction may not be true. It would have to be one of those, but it could be keeping its same direction and going at a changing speed. So A and B might be true, but would not always be true. So I'm going to go with C. All right, so this comes from the reading from the example there. Which of the following would not be a unit of, not an acceleration unit? So if we go over here, physics tutorial, and if we check out where we were supposed to be reading, this gives us real easy examples here of common units, meters per second, miles per hour per second. So then if we jump back over here, this would not be one. Kilometers. An object can be moving downward and have an upward acceleration. That is absolutely true. Why is that true? Well, if an acceleration just means it's having, the speed is either being added to, I should say the velocity is changing. A common way that it's changing is the speed is added to. It also can change direction, but if this situation, if the object is moving downward with an upward acceleration, all that means as it's moving downward, it would be slowing down. So this could absolutely be true. I am going to end this here. I'll do this one last one. A car's velocity after each consecutive second of motion is 2, then 4, then 8, 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. This is evidence the car is covering more distance in each consecutive second. That's definitely true. Is covering the same. That is not true. Maybe covering more or less distance each consecutive second depending on its acceleration. That is not true. So the correct answer is A, because it's going faster and faster. Every second that passes, this second it went 2 meters in the second. This next second it went 4 meters in a second. Think about those dot diagrams. They would be getting farther and farther apart. The correct answer would be A. And then I'm going to end this video when I get my dad away. Thank you, like, and subscribe.